Let's cut the fluff and get straight to the point. You are not here to get motivational quotes. You are here because you have done everything right and it's still not working out. You are stable. You have built a good life. You are not broke, not desperate, not a mess. And yet, somehow, she just doesn't see you that way. Welcome to the modern friend zone, where women keep you close, talk to you, maybe even flirt a bit. But when it's time to escalate, suddenly you are just a friend. Sounds familiar? Here's the truth no one tells you. It's not about being nice, it's not about being respectful, it's not even about confidence. It's about invisible triggers, it's about how you speak, how you show up, and what energy you bring that signals I am not like the rest. And if you don't know how to trigger attraction, you will be forever seen as a safe bet, but not seductive. Let me break this down clearly. In countries like US, UK, and Canada, modern dating is a battlefield. Women have options, like infinite options. So, just being a good man is not a strategy, it's the bare minimum. The real separator is your presence, your vibe, your magnetism. Here's what I realized after watching hundreds of men fall into the same trap. They don't know how to talk to women in a way that subtly signals desire without desperation. They either play too safe or go too aggressive, and either one kills the spark before it starts. And that's exactly why I created my course. This isn't some recycled dating advice. This is the real psychological framework for how attraction actually works in 2026. Over 300 men are already inside. They are transforming how women respond to them. They are getting dates, not just matches. And the best part? You get a full 7-day refund guarantee. If you don't feel the shift, I will give you your money back. No questions asked. I promise you, if you buy this course, you will get your dream girl, and this will be your best purchase of 2026. But here's what's wild. Some of the guys who joined after months of hesitation, they all say the same thing. Damn, I should have done this sooner. I'm telling you, if you are tired of being overlooked, misunderstood, or almost there, you need to take that step. And if you are still not ready for the course, at least get inside my free Discord server. We have got PDF breakdowns, free attraction principles, even private voice chats with guys who are going through the same shit. It's not just a group, it's a weapon. The link is in the description, you'll thank yourself later. Now let's go deeper. You keep getting stuck in the friend zone because you are playing the interview game. You ask, she answers. You answer, she asks. It's logical, polite, structured. But attraction doesn't live in logic. It lives in tension, in curiosity, in emotional spikes. You have to interrupt the rhythm she is used to. Instead of asking, "What do you do?" say, "Let me guess, you are either a lawyer who secretly hates it or someone who does something weirdly creative." That's not about the answer. It's about triggering surprise, playfulness, a spark. Stop complimenting her looks. Everyone does that. Instead, say, "I like your energy. You look like you caused trouble." That creates mystery. That frames you as a selector. Men who have money, experience, self respect know their value. But value alone isn't loud enough in today's world. You have to communicate it in the language of attraction. You can be a millionaire, well dressed, well spoken, but if your vibe says, "I'm just happy to be here," she's going to treat you like background noise. This is the hard truth, man, and that's why you need tools. You need the blueprint to translate your value into desire. That's what I teach. That's what works. That's it for this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. And if you will subscribe, I will appreciate it a lot. Both course and Discord links are in the description. And I am promising you, you will not regret buying my course. Okay? Bye and have a great day.